everyone. Welcome to the June Blazie Technologies webinar. I'm Stephen Blazie, and I'm joined tonight by Brian Blazie, Tim Noonan, and of course, David Goldfield. Tonight, we'll be showcasing yet another huge software update for BT Speak and BT Braille, including a discussion and demos of new features. I think you're really going to love this update. I was reading through an early copy of the release notes myself, and I'm really impressed at the scale of this update. So if you're somebody who likes to explore new features, this one should keep you pretty busy. Our developers have been hard at work, and they've really delivered a great one. I have to say that the productivity of these updates is really a direct reflection of the amazing feedback and interactions we've had with all of you, our customers. At the end of the day, our mission is to make sure our customers are happy and getting the most out of our products, and that's what's driving the innovation forward. Now, the question on everyone's mind, when is the update going to be available? We should have the release notes ready to publish either a little later this evening or early tomorrow, and the update itself should be available to download on your BT Speak or BT Braille within the next couple of days. That's our target. We want to make sure, above all, that everyone has a good experience with the update and that the software is robust. So before we begin discussing the update, I'm going to hand it over to David Goldfield, who has a few announcements to share.
Thanks so much, Stephen. Thank you, everybody, for joining us tonight on our June webinar. So, as Stephen said, we have some announcements. We actually have almost as many announcements as we do features in the update. And I want to talk to you about that. Of course, as Stephen said, the big announcement is that we do have an update coming up in just a bit. We will certainly be announcing that on our main list. Many of you are on our list, so you'll already be getting those announcements. So if you want to receive announcements, there are two ways you could do it. You could do one or both. The first is you can go on our website and register if you just want to receive announcements. And that's Blazie Tech, BLAZIETECH.com. And on the main page, there is a form where you can, all we ask is just your, I think just your name and your email address. That's it. And we will send you announcements. We might do one or two a month. So once this update is out, we'll send that out in an announcement. We also have a discussion/support list for BT Speak and BT Braille users. And of course, we always post the release notes and answer questions from customers or even potential customers on that list. So even if you're not a customer, if you just want to lurk, see what people are talking about, or ask questions, you're more than welcome to do that. And you can join by sending an email to btspeak, all one word, plus subscribe. That's the plus sign, and then subscribe at groups.io, and we'll approve you and get you on the list. So that update is probably one of our big announcements. We're also going to demo some of the features on that update and give everybody a sneak peek about what we're doing, and we're going to talk to you about what's in the update. Okay, next announcement has to do with something for BT Braille, and that has to do with leather cases. We do have customers who have BT Brailles in their hands, and they're using BT Brailles, but they ask us about when the cases are going to be coming out. And we are in the process of evaluating and testing those cases. I actually just got one this afternoon delivered to me for evaluation, but because of all the prep I've been doing for the update and for the webinar, I haven't had time to look at it, but starting tomorrow I will. And assuming we approve them, we should be placing an order for those, and we'll be getting them sooner than later. So very soon you'll be able to have cases for your BT Braille. And of course, we'll let you know when that is. We'll send announcements out on the list about that. Okay, the other announcement that some of you may have already gotten is that Blazie Technologies has a new address in Stuart, Florida. So, first of all of the other contact info that you already know has not changed, and it's not going to change. So our phone number is still the same, 772-214-1616. And all the extensions are still the same. We have our email address. If you need support one-on-one, you can email us at support@blazie.net. That's still the same. And you can write to us at info@blazie.net if you just have general sales questions. All of that is still the same. But we have a new address in Stuart, Florida, which is just going to help us to consolidate shipping and receiving of orders. It's going to give us room to physically expand, to do some production, just one central place to do all the designs. I haven't even seen it yet, but hopefully the next time I get to Florida, I'll be able to see this new place. So we're really excited about that. There's also going to be another Ask Us Anything in BT Town. We've done 2 of those so far, and they're very successful, and we've gotten a lot of good feedback. So for those who don't know, BT Town is an open social platform that is only available on BT Speak and BT Braille, and you can interact with other customers in the town and go to different rooms and interact with different AI agents who are in the rooms. There's some games, and there's going to definitely be some more expansion coming up in BT Town. I'm hearing a lot of construction going on over there, and permits are being signed, and paperwork is being signed to add more to the town. You know how it is when you want to add things to a town. But you can join us there for the next Ask Us Anything. And it's going to be on Wednesday, June 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern. That's not tomorrow, but the following Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. And you press G to go to a room, and you choose Town Hall. And that's where you can interact with us and ask us questions, and we'll try to answer those questions. So that's next Wednesday at 2 Eastern in BT Town. Okay, we're also doing a lot of traveling in the next month. We are going to be, first of all, at the ACB and NFB conventions. NFB convention is going to be in Austin, Texas, and we will be there. And in St. Louis, there will be the ACB convention. And they're actually having them at different times, which is great for us, because when you got a limited staff, it's really hard to cover both conventions in the same week. It's pretty exhausting. And at least we won't have to do that. So if you're going to the ACB or NFB convention, please stop by our booth. I don't have booth numbers yet to give you, but we'll let you know as soon as we get those. And we may have already gotten them. I just don't have them. But we'll be there. And if you haven't seen our products, you can take a look at the BT Speak and the BT Braille and try them out, or buy them if you'd like. We are also going to have a special with APH. There's going to be the Computer Science Teachers Association, the CSTA, in New Orleans on July 15th, and there's going to be a BT Code workshop, which is a program on the BT Speak and BT Braille that allows you to learn Python and how to write your own code and write and develop your own software. And That is already on BT Speak and BT Braille. It's been there for some time, and there are going to be new features added to that very shortly, by the way, in an upcoming update. But if you're going to be in New Orleans, you can go visit us there and take a look at the BT Code workshop. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.